soon we will have the GoPro, and then we can link the GoPro to the iPhone and see. Today we came here to collect sand because it makes a great, I want to say modality is a new word that I love to use right now. I'm going to stick my Palo Santos in a pile of sand, and it's going to burn in the sand, and then the ashes will fall into the sand, and it will be a natural, beautiful little thing I'm going to try out. That lady Diane, she does it with purple sand. Apparently we're walking this way. That is one of my favorite spots, that those rocks. I used to live over here. I did. Doggo! I'm kind of lazy about walking that way, to be honest. Not today. I mean, I want to. Alright. Yeah, we're meant to go. Come on. I guess this is today's exercise. I haven't really walked a lot of places today. I drove to a couple places and walked around inside there, but that was just like a few feet. Exercise, it feels so good. So good to move your body. So good to go for a walk. Excuse me if you have a dog and your dog's like, actually don't excuse me, walk. Take your dog for a walk right now. Go for a W. Take doggy to the beach. Look, I love that device. It's so fun.
It's a really good device.
Huh?
It's a really good device.
I used to use that for my friend's dog, or should I say my ex-boyfriend's dog, okay? His parents had that thing for their dog, Sarge, and I used to love using it at this beach, and exactly, the dog would go into the waves and go get the ball. It was so fun. That's fun. Line out? Does that one? Can't see.
No.
Huh?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I hope not. Okay. Woo! Yeah. This is the spot. I love this spot. I've done so many photo shoots over here. Still alive?
I think so.
Amazing. Yeah.
You have it on live?
No?
We're on 10 minutes and something seconds.
Nice. The maximum is always 15 minutes.
I know, it's hard to see.
All right. Wow, this is just so calm right now. It's so peaceful. We should come here more often.
Water and fire.
true nodes in Capricorn though. Look, people brought tents and they just posted up.
I want a blue tent.
I want that shade of blue. Teal, beige, whatever you call that.
Indigo?
Indigo? I'm surprised you can see the camera.
Yeah. We're at 12 minutes.
Nice. He's got interesting tattoos. That gentleman. Look at this girl doggo.
I saw it.
I think it's a girl doggo. It's got a pink vest on, I'm pretty sure. I think the owner's wearing pink too. Just some girls hanging out. Walk my doggo. Came for the sand.
Came for the experience.
There's something about healing through the sun, healing through grounding, the science of grounding, and exactly the element of the ocean. Hydrotherapy, I'm assuming, water therapy, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah. Oh, we're little tent things. And I need a portable massage table really bad. Though, like, I prefer to get hands-on or to know what kind I'm supposed to get. I have no clue what I'm doing. It'd be nice if I could lay on it first and know if it's comfortable. Have you noticed there's no stores like that? There's no stores you can go in and just, hey, I'm just gonna go buy a massage table. Where's the yoga store? You got Spencer's, you got Hot Topic. Where's the spiritual stores? One for essential oils, one for yoga stuff. Like, there's nowhere like that. You got cheap stuff, you know.
Metaphysical stores.
Yeah. And even then, those are like, each person has the thing that they're into. Some people collect spiritual statues. Some people like exactly sound. Some people like books. Man, I gotta take you to Rainbow Bridge. We were supposed to stop there in West Palm Beach, and just like the time clock just didn't line up, you know, because it closes at like 5. Maybe later. I didn't even look, to be honest. He is pretty expensive. However, his rent is expensive and he doesn't get a lot of sales, so he kind of has to do that to get by and keep his business, which has already been there like 25 years or something crazy like that. I think I did a little bit of an interview there. I would like to do more interviews where it actually shows my face and shows me interviewing the person. I like to get so comfortable and make them comfortable.